Ngaphakathi emahhovisi eqembu Malema uthe inkantolo yabavuna ngalo. Ngakho-ke bazoficana enkantolo nalabo abakhononda ngaleli iculo.
And I won in court. The court said there's nothing wrong singing "Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer." When do we respect the judgments of the court? And when do we disrespect the judgments of the court?
I-EFF incamela ukusebenzisana namaqembu aphikisayo ukususa emandleni e-ANC. Lokhu kuze emva kokuthi umengameli wophiko lomakade bona be-ANC uSinukizikalala eyaleli iqembu ukuba lihoxise ukusebenzisana ne-EFF emva kokhetho langonyaka ozayo.
So we prefer a grand opposition coming together to create, to replace a kleptocratic government of the ANC.
uMalema uthi uZikalala usanamaqhubu ngabo njengoba baba nesandla ekususweni kwakhe kubeni inhloko yezindaba emsakazweni omphakathi.
Zikalala has never gotten anything serious until he resurfaced now as a Veterans League what something. So he has never forgiven us. So you must know every time Zikalala speaks, he's got that trauma we caused him.
Usuyasuka kumsebenzi wokhetho langonyaka ozayo.
The EFF will begin the process of developing its 2024 national and provincial election manifesto through massive consultations with all sectors of our society in order to deliver a people's manifesto.
uMalema uthi abaholi beqembu abamele iqembu emphakathini abahlulekile ukuhlinzeka ngezokuthutha emcimbini weqembu bazoqondiswa izigwegwe.
You are told in January to bring a bus. You fail from January to July to bring a bus.
uMalema udlulisa amazwi enduduzo emndenini yabalandeli ababili abashona emva kokuthamela lo mgubho.
We send our deepest condolences to the family and loved ones of the deceased. The EFF leadership has already met with the two families of the deceased.
Labalandeli oyedwa wawa enkundleni FNB kwathi omunye wagayiswa imoto.